Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video, I'm going to show you this rock that my daughter painted. She is starting to get into art now. Just recently, even though she painted this rock about maybe a year ago, but I just never uploaded this video. I bring you this new talent that she has. So I know, everybody has a talent. It's just that sometimes you want to wait for the perfect time to express yourself or to start showing your art. But in reality, you can start as soon as you want. It's not as soon as you want, as soon as possible, because every artist has to go through the process of learning, dedication, the mindset, and no matter how good or bad they start, because there are some people that are talented that at the beginning it feels natural for them to just start doing art. For example, painting. I always loved to make drawings and paintings, but I was never into painting as I should have been. But now it's not that I am a professional, because to be an artist, you don't have to be a professional. You don't have to, everybody doesn't have to approve your work. As long as you do what you love to do and you like it, you love it, even the process, because the process is not easy. It's good. It's good. Whatever you want to do, go ahead and do it. It has to be a balance. There has to be a balance between what you want and what it needs to be done. But anyways, I wanted to show you other work that my daughter is working on. I'm going to show you these pictures. These are some jeans that she started painting with this painting. This paint is for fabric. So she started with these designs. Now she's doing this one, which, she just starting to do this, and she's going to put another design on this other pocket. But if you want to see some of her videos or some more of her work, leave a comment on the section below, and I will ask her to do, a tutorial, or not a tutorial, but just to show the process of how she does the paintings. So the painting, this is a Yin Yang. It's a very Asian figure that it's a balance between good and bad, or, a balance to everything. As life, you have to have a balance of everything. Same thing goes with our body and our mind. To be healthy, you have to have a balance of everything. Now we go back to the rock, and she did the Yin Yang one side gray, the other one blue. On the gray, she painted black. On the gray, she painted a white dot representing the moon, and on the blue one, which I'm assuming is the sky, she painted the sun, and on the sun side, she is painting some branches, and she's gonna later on add some flowers. I actually liked the design that she came up with. I don't know if you like it, let me know. If you like the content of this channel, consider subscribing and activating the bell so you can receive the announcements of the next videos. She's using acrylic paints. All the paints that we use, I'm gonna leave them on the description below. So in case you want to know which one we use, and some other tools that we use for our arts and crafts. So if you notice, recently I started to do canvas paintings. So let me know if you want to see canvas painting or more rock painting, because I want to, please you on the videos that you want to see, not, what I want to show. But I like to do painting, on rocks or in canvases. It's just that I'm going to continue painting on canvases. It's just that if you don't want to see the videos, then I won't post them. So let me know in the section below. On the gray side, she added some star, but she just used some glitter paint. She didn't. This one doesn't have any color, so it's just glitter. And she was using this wooden dowel, but it has very sharp tip at the end to make the little dots of the stars. And then she did the same thing with white paint, just small dots here and there, just again representation of the stars at night. So the sun, she went around the flare of the sun. She painted red, I believe. She used red paint. The sun, she used orange paint. And she went all around it. Those are representing the flares of the sun. And then she just finished it by defining the lines with black paint. I really liked the painting. Let me know what you guys think about her painting. All right, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the content of this channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the section below. And towards the end, she signed her name. After she defined all the lines, she added some more glitter on the sun and on the moon and some on the flowers. And at the end, we coated the rock with resin. And here is the rock finished with the resin. I hope I will see you on the next video.